Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily verify payment method on iPhone. So first in your iPhone, head over and click on settings. Next is click on your profile or Apple account. Next is click on payment and shipping. This might require you to sign in to your Apple account or use your Face ID. Once you've logged into your Apple account or verified your Face ID, you will be redirected to this page. Now, if it's a credit or debit card you're trying to verify, all you have to do is fill in details about your card, such as your card number, expiration date, and CVV or security code in this section. Then once done, head over and click on done. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!